we are doing my first spring thrift haul of the season / upcoming season. Winter fashion has honestly just kind of been canceled in my opinion. So first off, we gotta go get the clothes. So let's go do that real quick. On second thought, I have a better idea. Psych! I want to give a huge thank you to thredUP. I worked with them over Thriftmas and we're working together again to give you guys my first spring haul, thrift haul of the season. So if you missed that last video of mine and you have no idea what thredUP is, they are the world's biggest online thrift store, selling some of your favorite brands like Zara, J.Crew, Madewell, Aritzia, brands off of Revolve, Lululemon, Nike, Adidas, like all the brands you could ever imagine for up to 90% off. Pretty much all my things were under $30. The price point is really, really good. If I don't need to leave my house when the weather is just all like this one day and like this the next day, then I'm all about doing some online thrift shopping from the convenience of my own bed. And if you're someone that's new to thredUP, you can use my code, which is just thredUP30. It's gonna be linked down below, as well as the clickable link to get 30% off your first purchase, which is like getting a lovely thrift store coupon for free. They're pretty rare these days, so take advantage of it. The first item I want to share with you guys are these amazing Tommy Hilfiger jeans that are actually flares because I'm over the whole skinny leg thing. I put on skinny jeans the other day and I felt so weird. I am very much a flare or bootleg type of girl, and the fact that these have like this really cute early 2000s like floral embroidery all over them is just perfect for me. These kind of look child-esque, but on with like a cute little crop top, you're not gonna be looking like a 6-year-old. I promise you, you just gotta style them the right way. So these were an absolute steal. These jeans are estimated to retail for $99, but I got them for only $15. So to go with those jeans, I picked up this really cute little cropped pink vest. It really reminded me of something that you would see at Brandy Melville right now. This whole color, the lettucey frill hem situation, and then the snaps up the front. Very Brandy, very 90s. This guy was $10 and again is in perfect condition. The brand is vintage, so it's by the brand Reference Point, probably doesn't really exist anymore, but I love finding good, authentic, vintage brands that, you know, this is the real 90s right here. Holding it in my hands. Not wanting to let it go because I just feel like those were the good days, you know? This item's estimated retail price was $45 and I got it for a total of only $9. So I mentioned this last time, but something that I really enjoy about ordering off thredUP is that everything comes super clean, super nice smelling. So if you're kind of someone that's a little bit timid about going out to a thrift store on your own because of like cleanliness factors, because I'm not even gonna lie, sometimes those thrift stores smell nasty. I would highly recommend ordering from thredUP because they do a really, really nice job at delivering the package and making sure it smells great. Obviously, you guys know that the 90s have been a big trend for the last couple seasons, as well as the early 2000s now. This is kind of one of those items that I feel like could segue into like early 2000s if you wore with like a neon top or something like that. But it's this super fun, black, fluffy, feather, I don't know how you describe this trim, but it's like feathers, I guess. It's super, super soft, Calvin Klein little shawl shrug cardigan. And I don't know why, I used to find things like this a lot at the thrift store and then I sold all of them, but they're like the perfect little thing to throw over all those like really trendy dresses that we're seeing for spring and summer, like the little Reformation-y style dresses. So I picked this up and it's such a cool stretchy material as well, and I'm 100% keeping this and holding on to this one because I don't want any more thrift selling regrets in my life. The estimated retail on this Calvin Klein sweater was $60, but I got it for only $16. Again, with the early 2000s, it was kind of a tacky era. I'm not even gonna lie, but I think the tackiness kind of makes things a little bit more fun, and I'm all about that. So I searched up my favorite keyword on thredUP, which is rhinestones. And I came across this lovely Harley Davidson orange ribbed tank top. This is definitely not gonna be for everyone, but it sure as heck is for me. I am obsessed with the detailing on this and cannot wait to wear this in the summer. So sun, just please keep on keep it on and just give me summer already, because I am so ready to wear this kind of amazing 2000s stuff. This item's estimated retail price was $71 and I got it for only $20. While we're talking about tank tops, I thought I'd throw this one in because the cut is kind of like 90s, 2000s inspired. And this guy was actually new with tags from Lulu's. And I've never actually worked with Lulu's, bought anything from Lulu's, but I've heard amazing things about them. And they do have a really nice variety of basics. So I decided to pick this one up. And $12 for a good brand new basic. You can't really go wrong. The material is really, really nice and thick. This item's estimated retail was $30 and I got it for $11. So I only purchased one more pair of pants because I'm always a little bit skeptical about purchasing pants online, especially if they're from another era. Sizing is all different all the time, but I used the sizing chart and these ones turned out pretty darn well. They're actually by the brand Nine West, and I didn't know Nine West even made clothing. I just thought it was shoes, but that just goes to show you how much I actually know. So we have here these amazing kind of straight leg, a little bit flared leather pants. These pants are estimated to retail for $145 and I got them for only $25. I've been looking for a pair of leather pants at Thrift, but they were always like very low rise or just not a flattering fit for me. I feel like a sausage. I just can't be having any of that. No Ross from Friends moment needed here in my life. To go with those leather pants and to kind of contrast the edginess of them, I decided to mix in this top from Free People, which I got for $11. Like, are you kidding me? Free People for $11? I haven't bought anything there in so long because it's just so expensive. I got this really, really feminine top. It's got this sheer sleeve, polka dotted mesh detailing, and then like a jersey knit body part, and I'm obsessed with this. I think the color is so nice for spring, and yeah, it's very girly. You're probably thinking, Sarah, what the frick were you thinking? But I really want to edge it up with like some silver chunky chains and then those leather pants. So this top is estimated to retail for $58. Meanwhile, I got it for only $10.99. Let's talk a little bit about logos, because we all know the 90s was literally logo mania. I'm not joking, that's a real term. Look it up. So you know I had to get some of our favorite logo brands to Thrift. The first item being this really super nice, soft, cozy red crew neck by Nike. We've got the swoosh, the logo, kind of subtle, but you know, she's there. This item's estimated retail price was $71, but I got it for only $26. I decided to pick up this Ralph Lauren long sleeve polo, which I'm planning on cropping. It's got this, ooh, look at how the sun is catching her, the little pony. It's got this really nice kind of sparkly beaded detailing here, which I said I'm loving the glitter. This logo is here to be seen. She is not discreet by any means, but I am loving that. This item's estimated retail price was $90 and I got it for $24. And then the last item, which I am so in love with, is this bikini top by Ralph Lauren, which has the little ponies all over the boobs. I just saw a bunch of pictures on Tumblr accounts that had vintage Ralph Lauren bikinis, and they were so cute, such a vibe. I'm not really into buying bikini bottoms that are secondhand, but bikini tops are like not an issue at all. And I just figured I could pair this with, you know, shorts as an outfit, or I could pair it with just like some neutral navy bottoms. Moving on to the last few things, we're gonna call this the mandatory pink section of Sarah's haul, because I always have at least like 3+ pink items in every haul. So I grabbed this mink pink sweater for only $13.99. It's actually got some glitter running through it, which I didn't really realize online, but I'm not opposed. You can't even really tell on camera, but it's just really subtle and gonna be a great sweater, I think, for springtime. It's a little oversized and extremely, extremely soft. So this item's estimated retail price was $60 and I got it for $14. Next up, we have two more really bougie brands that I'm excited to announce that I found on thredUP, and you can find them too. So the first item here is this really pretty pink, kind of just like, I want to call it an Instagram girl dress, because it's just flowy, but not too flowy, and just perfect, like so perfect to wear with white sneakers, maybe a leather jacket. It is by the brand LPA, which actually sells on Revolve for a lot of money. This dress is estimated to retail for $178. Meanwhile, I got it for only $30. One brand that I'm always searching up on thredUP is Reformation, because it is so pricey, but buying Reformation on thredUP buying it secondhand is like the most sustainable thing you could ever do because they're a sustainable brand themselves. So this item came up and it wasn't too expensive and it was in my size, and I just thought for the summer, tucking this into some really light wash denim shorts with some combat boots or chunky sneakers would be so cute. So from Reformation, is this my first Reformation item? No. One of my first Reformation purchases, and I'm so happy that I got it for not $1 million. This item was estimated to retail for $78 and I got it for only $14.99. All right guys, so that is it for this spring trends thrift haul. There's gonna be plenty more of this to come. So if you wanna see more good thrifting videos, make sure you subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram because I've actually been going off on Instagram, not to boast, but I've been posting quite a bit. So make sure you follow me there. And yeah, don't forget to use that discount code SarahDunk30 to get 30% off your first order. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you in my next one. Mwah! Ta-ta!